Hi, I'm Lily the Lion, and today we're going to read the book Monkey with a Tool Belt by Monroe. Here is Chico Bon Bon. What type of animal is Chico Bon Bon? Did you say monkey? Yes, you're right. He is a monkey. Chico is a monkey with a tool belt. Do you know what's a tool belt? Don't worry, we'll find out. Chico Bon Bon is quite handy with tools. He builds and fixes all sorts of things. Here are some of Chico's tools. There are screwdriver, nut driver, even bottle brush, tweezer, lemon squeezer, stapler, and all kinds of tools. All his tools fit on his belt. Every day, Chico builds or fixes something for his friends and his family. He is very creative. He builds a dock for the ducks and the clock for the clocks. He uses his nippers for nipping and tucks. He uses his level on the toy box for Neville. Wood wanglers are needed to make this nice bevel. He would also build a go-kart for Go-Go to transport the skunks and a smaller roller coaster for local chipmunks. He'll need all his drill bits to fix up this ramp, plus a chisel, a frizzle, and a giant C-clamp. Sometimes he makes a mistake, but he just finds the right tool and fixes it. But one day, Chico noticed a banana split on a tiny table across the road from his house. So he went over to investigate. Chico tried to taste the mysterious banana split, and it was fake. He wondered why a banana split would be made of plastic. Just then, a big box came down on top of him. It was a trap. He was captured. He looked out of a hole in the box and saw an organ grinder from the circus. You can dance, can't you? This organ grinder needed a new monkey. His old monkey, Bobo, had run away earlier that week with the help of several circus tigers. Chico could not get out. The organ grinder locked the box and bungeed it to his bicycle. He rode a long way until they reached the circus. They went village after village. And it was a rough ride for Chico Bon Bon. But Chico felt lucky the banana split wasn't even real. He would have been covered in ice cream. The organ grinder rode all the way to the circus camp on the other side of town. He carried the box inside his trailer. He began to make dinner. He used an egg beater, a blender, a can opener, a vacuum cleaner, and coffee grinder. It was all extremely noisy. Chico watched him through the hole in the box. But Chico had a plan. He stuck his measuring tape through the hole. He measured the distance to the door. He measured the hole. He wrote down the numbers with his pencil and divided by 47. He put a bendy extender with a rearview mirror attachment on his drill. It just barely fit through the hole. He loosened the screw and he double-checked with the organ grinder. He used a mini file to make the hole bigger. He made the hole even bigger with a tiny hacksaw and a hole razor, a half-inch beaver saw, a small jimmy jabber, and some sandpaper. He sliced the plastic banana split with his utility knife, lemon squeezer, flashlight, banana peeler. He disguised the hole with sawdust spackle and a piece of a plastic banana split. Then he made a loud water buffalo noise with his kazoo. Wonka. The organ grinder looked over. What? Bang! Suddenly, Chico used his rubber hammer on the man's big toe. The man leaped back on one foot, holding his big toe and hopping about. Chico pushed open the box lid and jumped out. And he ran out the door. He ran and ran and ran and ran until he saw a bus. So Chico Bon Bon, he fished some change out of his tool belt and got on the bus. He rode the bus to his house. And what do you think's the next slide? Chico was home! Chico Bon Bon said, "Good thing I have this tool belt." He took the tool belt off and laid it on his dresser. He put on his pajamas. Then he put his tool belt back on and climbed into the bed. Good night, tool belt. And that's the adventure of Chico Bon Bon. Well, good night, Chico Bon Bon. I wonder what he'll build tomorrow. What do you think he'll build next? Huh? That is a great idea! Great! We finished the book. Are you ready to take our quiz? Let's start. Question number 1. All of these are examples of alliteration except A. A dog for dogs. B. Pencils for drawing. C. Nippers for nipping. Or D, a clock for clocks? I'm not so sure about this. Let's try to find out. Uh-oh, we missed that one. Well, let's go ahead and try again. What does Chico do when he makes a mistake? A. He gets frustrated and leaves. B. He asks someone else to fix it. Or C. He fixes it. Does he get frustrated? Or he fixes it? Yay! Yes! He fixes it! What is Chico's problem in this story? First one, does he eats the banana split? B, he doesn't like being in a box. Or C, he is captured by an organ grinder. Yes, he was captured. True or false? Chico is very frazzled as he works on his escape plan. Is it true or false? True or false? Was he frazzled? Uh-oh. No, he wasn't frazzled. What is one theme we learned from this story? Don't think, just do it. Think things through and you can accomplish a lot. Or having a plan rarely helps. Do you think this is the right answer? Yes, we should think things through. And our quiz result is 60%. Thanks for taking the quiz with me. Yay, great job. You must be proud of yourself. Thanks for learning with me. We'll see you again in our next video. Bye!